Imagine waking up in a cold metal cage, your fate determined by human hands. Welcome to the world of lab rats. Day in and day out, subjected to experiments that blur the lines of nature and ethics. Pain is a common companion. They don't get a chance to live freely. It's a life of confinement, driven by the quest for human knowledge. Their struggles provide vital insights, yet their sacrifice often goes unnoticed, buried under scientific jargon. Many never see the light of day again, a tragic end to a life meant for so much more. This is why it sucks to be a lab rat. Their suffering leads to breakthroughs, but at a heavy cost. We must ask ourselves, is the advancement of science worth the price of a life? As we push the boundaries of knowledge, let's not forget the lives impacted in the process. Every lab rat deserves a chance to live, to thrive, to be more than just numbers. It's time to acknowledge their plight and advocate for humane treatment in research. Let's change the narrative from lab rats to living beings, deserving of respect. Together, we can ensure that science evolves without sacrificing the innocent lives behind it.